So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We call this a blind man's whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A reverse whip. 3 and 4. Car wash style. 7 and 8. We'll do that from the other side. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. What's it doing? Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I told you to go with 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And there you have it. Thank you guys very much. By the way, we do have another waltz workshop coming up that's been scheduled the 11th of May. So that's the second Saturday of May, 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. So if you missed the last one last weekend, come on and join us for that. That's May 11th, 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Waltz workshop with Greg Crash and me. All right, have a great Sunday night. I'll see you Wednesday.